well. So this episode's sponsored by Krispy Kreme. No, I'm just kidding. I wish. Sponsored by Krispy Kreme. I love y'all. But no, I saw this recipe on Facebook from a good friend of mine. She's been posting a lot of good recipes. I was like, I gotta try this out. She said, yeah, if you do, try it out and let me know. So I'll be letting her know. It sounded really good, super easy, like I always like. So I'll run through all the ingredients here, what's going into it, and then we'll get to whipping it up. So we got 2 cans of 11 ounces of the Mexican corn, a can of Rotel. I went with a chipotle. 2 cups of cheddar cheese shredded, a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of sour cream, about 8 green onions sliced up, half a cup of cilantro that's been diced up, and then I went with some good old Uncle Steve shake, Gator shake to go in it. It didn't call for the Gator shake in it, but I know from the way it sounded with ingredients wise and stuff like that, it's going to be kind of like the Mexican street corn, elote kind of taste. So I knew that kind of citrusy kind of pop with that corn taste, and then the cilantro is going to be, it'll be a good addition. So all it's going to be is just chunking in and mixing up. So it didn't say drain any of the cans or anything. It just said ingredients, and that was it really. It didn't say anything of what to do. So, but I mean, it's can't be that hard. So I'll get everything in there, and then we'll get it mixed on up. Throw in the green onions there. Put in the cilantro there. Get it all out. And some folks don't like cilantro. I've heard it kind of tastes like soap or something to them, which is interesting. But if you don't like cilantro, I'm pretty sure you could leave it out of here and it'd still be fine. But now all I'm gonna do is mix. And it didn't say about like letting it sit overnight or anything, but I'm going to. I think it's going to be better kind of just to let this sit overnight, let the flavors and all come together, and then it'll kind of probably set up and stuff too a little bit more. But that's all there is to it. Add in some of the Gator shake, just a little dash, because he'll give that citrusy and peppery taste to it. So there we go. And it already looks really good. Smell that Gator shake. It smells good. Smell that citrusy smell. Smell that cilantro too. So y'all can see that there. Looks good. There we go. That's all there is to it. So I'm gonna get this in another bowl, put it in the fridge, and let it just sit overnight. So I'll see y'all back tomorrow to give it a taste test and see how it is. So I don't know how it can be bad from what's in it. So it sounds good to me. But anyways, I'll see y'all back in the morning or tomorrow to chow down on something. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Got it done here. Got it out. Got it mixed on up. It looked really good. Smelled good. And got my bowl out. Made it kind of pretty with the cilantro and stuff on top. So and then I dusted it off with some of the Gator shake as well to give it a little more citrus pop and make it pretty as well. So, and these are good too. If you haven't ever tried these, spicy jalapeno scoops, they're good. So again, I'll run over what I did with it. It was the 2 cans of the Mexican corn. I think they were 11 ounce. Can of Rotel. I went with chipotle because I like that smoky, spicy jalapeno taste. And then there's 8 green onions sliced, about maybe a half a cup of cilantro chopped up, and then a cup of mayo, cup of sour cream, and then I added in the Gator shake to add that citrus kind of taste to it. So it'll smell good. That corn, and then that jalapeno spice coming through. So get me a little scoop of it out there. So nice and creamy. Good little bit of the spice coming through from that Rotel and that chipotle taste. Nice little citrus hit from that Gator shake. That nice corn taste as well. That sweet, savory kind of corn taste. Nice onions coming through, and then that herby cilantro. Yeah, that's good. I knew it couldn't be bad. That is good. Only change I might make is I would right before you serve it, get a little bacon cooked off and crumbled up and throw on top of it too. But that might be the only addition I'd do to it. Besides, definitely go with some Gator shake in it because it gives that nice peppery citrus to it. But yeah, that's a winner for sure. If you want a fun little easy dip for like a party or something, I'd say go with that. It's super easy and it's good. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this one. I appreciate y'all so much for watching, and thank you so much, and welcome on in to the Head to Tail family for watching. We love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So this episode, start again. Well, hey there everybody.